Don't worry, you have come to the right channel. Hello and welcome my friends to my YouTube channel, Philippospan. Weekly tips and tricks on how to work with Microsoft Office applications. Today's video will be about Microsoft Excel.
How to create a new workbook based on a template in Microsoft Excel. As described in another video of mine, I mentioned that when we open Microsoft Excel, we are opening a workbook that contains one or more different worksheets. When we create a new blank workbook, we are creating it by using a template. What is a template? It is a pre-designed worksheet that already has been formatted, has its layout, and includes predefined formulas. This way, with templates, we do not need to worry about anything else but just entering the data. Microsoft Excel offers us many templates to use, which can save us a lot of time and effort. Stay tuned to find out how to create a new workbook based on a template in Microsoft Excel. When we open Microsoft Excel, the first screen that we see is this one. From the left, we have the category Home activated. Under the Good Evening area, we can create we can create a blank workbook. A blank workbook is based on a template. Here are other recent templates that I've used. If we want to create a new template, a new workbook based on a template, we select the category New. And right here in the middle now of the menu, we can see what do we want to create. A household monthly budget. Welcome to Excel. Weekly schedule planner. Let's select this one. This workbook is based on a template, so I'm just going to select it. And now we have a preview of what our workbook would look like. We have the name of the template, weekly schedule planner, and we have a description. Conquer the work or school week with a schedule planner from Excel. This planner template combines the best features of a calendar and a to-do list. Enter your objectives, deadlines, and to-dos for the week and check them off. Engage with your weekly goals and tasks by using this weekly schedule planner. The date updates automatically and repeating events can be carried over from one week to the next. Organizing your life just got a little easier with Excel. This is an accessible template. We know who the provider is, Microsoft Corporation, and if we're satisfied with a workbook that we're going to create based on the weekly schedule planner template, we just press the Create button. And here we are. Weekly schedule planner. One worksheet, dates, and all we need to do is just fill in all the information that we want for our weekly schedule planner. Say that we want to create a new workbook based on a different template. We select the File tab to move to Backstage View. From the left, we select the command New. And here we have a whole list of categories like business, personal, planners and trackers, list, budgets, charts, calendars. We can even type in what we are looking for. Expenses. Search. Searching thousands of templates. And what we want, which one do we want? Let's say wedding expense budget. I'm already married, so it doesn't matter. Wedding expense budget. Description, preview, provider, size, create. And that is it. Wedding budget sheet, expenses, and we just fill in all the information that we want.
Thank you all for watching. If you have enjoyed what you saw in this video, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free and let me know by heading down to the comment section.